So here we have a wonderful program. I will demonstrate various things in this program. This is the program to find the sum of first n natural numbers. I have explained this program before. This program uses for loop. Here is my for loop. I am calculating the sum of the first n natural numbers. N is read from the keyboard. Okay. Let us compile and execute this program. So this is my output window. If I enter 5, the output is 15. Correct? The sum of first 5 natural numbers is 15. Now let us make some changes to this program and see what will happen to the output. By making changes to this program, I will also demonstrate other features of C programming language. Okay. For example, here I am removing this statement, sum equal to 0. What will happen? If I don't give the initial value 0 to sum, what will happen? Generally, the variables by default, they will have garbage value. Okay, some random value. So you have to initialize sum to 0. Only then you can repeatedly add sum to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if 5 is the value of n. Generally, the values will have the variables, they will have garbage values if you don't initialize them. Okay, so this is my program and I am removing this statement, sum equal to 0. I am commenting it out. If I execute the program and I enter the value, say 10, the sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. Let us see what is the output. It is showing 56. Okay, that is not correct. 55 is the correct answer. So it is showing 56. Now if you remove that, if you remove the comment, then you execute the program. This time if you give the value 10, n value 10, you will get 55. Correct? So if you don't give initial value to a variable, the variable will have garbage, some random value. That is one thing we can learn. What will happen if I write I equal to 1 outside the for loop before entering the for loop? Okay. Is this correct? Yeah, the format is correct. Whatever was happening before, the same thing will happen. I will be initialized to 1, then the condition will be checked, 1 less than or equal to n. If n is 5, then the condition will be true, correct? 1 less than or equal to 5. Then you enter inside the loop, you calculate the value of sum, you go to increment. After incrementing the value of I, you go for condition checking. Then enter the loop, execute the statements inside the loop, go for increment section, then go for condition checking. Okay, so this will go on. So just by writing the statement I equal to 1, the initialization section in the for loop, just by writing it outside the for loop, you won't get any change in the output. The behavior of the program won't change. This is another thing. Now I'll make one more change. I equal to 1. Now what will happen if I keep the increment section inside the loop? So here initially I will be initialized to 1, then condition is checked. Let us assume n equal to 5. So condition is true, sum equal to sum plus I, then I will be incremented to 2, then condition is checked, sum will be evaluated, then again I will be incremented, then condition will be checked. So this repetition will go on until the condition is false. So by writing I++ here, you are not making any difference. The functionality of the program won't change and it is not an error. You will get the same output. So these are the new points we can understand about for loop. Now let's go to executing the program. Okay, I equal to 1. Let us execute the program. Okay, the output is 15. That is correct. Sum of first 5 natural numbers is 15. Now if I write I++ here, let us see the output. Sum of first 10 natural numbers, that is 55. The answer is correct. You can verify for any input. Now you can we'll go to the next program. Here I am printing the even numbers below 30. Okay, those numbers that are not divisible by 3. All the even numbers except those divisible by 3. I am printing those even numbers here. This program also I have explained in the previous session. So let us check the output, then we will make some changes to the program and verify output. So output is correct. Here I am not displaying 6 even though it is an even number, then 12, 18, 24 and 30 because they are divisible by 3. Now if I remove this if statement, what will happen? What will happen? The even numbers up to 50 will be printed. Okay, because when the num becomes greater than 30, still condition will be true, so these two conditions will be checked. Num %3, that means divisible by 3, divisible by 2. These two conditions will be checked. So this loop won't stop when num is greater than 30. It will go up to 50. So let us execute the program. So here it is printing all the even numbers up to 50 except those divisible by 3. 42 is not printed, 48 also not printed, 36 is not printed. Okay, this is correct. Now what will happen if I remove this if? Yes, the numbers, even numbers will be printed up to 30. It will not exceed 30. because you are breaking the loop. When the num exceeds 30, you are breaking the loop, terminating the loop, and all the even numbers are printed, but you will be printing the numbers that are divisible by 3 also. Okay, that is the output of this program. So let us verify. So it is printing all the even numbers. The even numbers that are divisible by 3 also are printed here. I hope you are able to see this output. That's what will happen. Now if I remove the last if statement, what will be the output? I am removing this if. Okay, so nothing will be printed because you are removing the printf itself. I'll keep the printf, but I am removing the condition. If num exceeds 30, you're breaking the loop. If the number is divisible by 3, you are not printing because you are executing continue, so this printf will be skipped and it will go to num++. So what will happen here, all the numbers up to 30 except those divisible by 3 are printed. So let us verify the output. See, the numbers divisible by 3 are not printed here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 are missing. 30 is also missing. So that is how you make changes to the program and verify the output, so you better understand the execution of the for loop. So we will stop here. We'll continue later. Thank you so much.